Hello, everybody. My name is Sir Raphael, and I will be teaching you environmental studies for class 4. Now, everybody turn to lesson number 5 on page 31, our animal friends, right? So, today we will be learning about more about animals. Of course, you've learned about animals in previous classes, but this time we will be learning about them in a little bit of detail, right? So, let us read animals in groups. We live with our families, we play with our friends, we like to meet a lot of people when we go to school or to work. In short, we would like to spend most of our time with fellow humans. We tend to feel lonely when we are alone. Like us, some animals too like to be with other animals. They live together in groups. We call different animal groups by special names. Insects such as ants, bees, and termites live together in groups called colonies. Fish of one kind stay together in groups called shoals. Cattle, sheep, goats, elephants, giraffes, and horses also like to stay and move in groups. Lions live together in groups called prides. 4 to 12 lionesses with their cubs live in a pride. After a few years, the cubs move away to start their own families. Dolphins live in large groups called schools. Flying insects such as locusts and bees move around in large groups called swarms, right? So look at all of the different special names we give to groups of animals, right? A group of ants, bees, and termites living together is called a colony, right? Fishes that stay together are called shoals. Cattle, sheep, goats, elephants, giraffe, and horses are like to stay and move in groups, right? And they are called herds, right? In case you didn't know, right? A herd of giraffes, a herd of goats, a herd of sheep, right? A herd of cattle, and then lions live together in groups called prides, right? A, a, a couple of lions living together in a group that is called a pride of lions. Okay, and then you have dolphins living together in large groups. They are called schools. And then flying insects such as locusts, bees, and maybe even hornets, and all of those insects, they move around in large groups called swarms, right? So those are animals in groups. And then in every group, yes, we have a group leader, right? Every group of animals or herd has a leader who guides the other group members. The leader protects the group and warns the other members of danger. The leader also takes decisions for the group. An elephant herd has only female elephants and baby elephants. The older male elephants live alone. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone, right? So that is how elephants behave, right? When the oldest male elephant, when they turn 14 or 15, they move away from the herd, they live alone. And then, of course, the elephant herd has only female elephants and baby elephants, right? So why do animals move in groups? Animals stay in groups due to various reasons. By living together in large numbers, animals are able to guard their territories for food. They also protect themselves from being attacked by other animals which feed on them. Living together ensures protection of eggs and newborn babies from possible dangers. Living in groups also helps animals to hunt for food. Penguins and other animals in cold regions live together in herds or groups to keep themselves warm, right? So, let us read for a little bit, and then we'll come to the end of the lesson for today. How do animals behave? Some animals are friendly and allow us to go near them or feed them. Most animals that we see at a farm are friendly. Dogs are considered to be our best friends like us. These animals like company too, right? So these animals that are friendly and allow us to go near them or feed them, these are called domesticated animals, right? Some examples are like dogs, cats, right? And sometimes even pigs, right? So these are domesticated animals and they like the company of human beings as well. We keep them as pets. And so, of course, today we've mainly learned about groups of animals and the group leader. We learned about the group leader. We learned about why animals move in groups. Of course, by living together, they have better chances of survival, right? Animals are able to guard their territory for food, and then they're able to protect themselves from being attacked by other animals which feed on them, right? Living together ensures the protection of eggs and newborn babies from possible dangers, right? So living in groups also helps animals to hunt for food, right? So this is very important. This is why they live together in groups, for self protection and also for hunting, right? They move in groups, right? So, and penguins and other animals in cold regions live together in herds or groups to keep themselves warm, right? Right? In cold regions as well, many animals they live together so they can keep themselves warm. All right, so we've come to the end of the lesson for today. And for homework,